All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So discover, discover, discover. To find something, to find something for the first time. For the first time, yeah. So he is discovering the world. He's discovering the world for the first time for himself, yeah. He discovered a new path. I discovered a new way to create lessons. Yeah. My discoveries aren't new. Those discoveries are old. Old. Yeah. She discovered that planet last night. I found the planet last night. How cool is that? Yeah. We discovered a new way to get across the ocean. A new way to get across the ocean. Nice. So I think we might have discovered a new island. They say that they have discovered a new chemical. Yeah, maybe they have. Maybe they haven't discovered one. Maybe they have, or maybe they have not discovered one indeed. Well, we don't know. Yeah, depends. Yeah. And we want to discover a new chemical. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. But to discover a new chemical will take a long time and won't be easy or straightforward. Yeah, it won't be easy. How cool is that? Yeah. So discover. So I have plans to discover new places that I have never seen or been to before. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So discover. Yeah. So can you use discover in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.